What if I told you the moment most people stop working is the exact moment some people start getting rich? Think about that. After decades of waking up early, commuting, stressing, saving, suddenly retirement hits, income stops, routine changes, and logically, wealth should slow down, right? But for a surprising number of people, the opposite happens. They grow richer, not by luck, not by magic, but by a quiet set of decisions made years, sometimes decades, before anyone noticed. So the real question is, why do some people get rich after retirement, while others struggle the moment their salary disappears? And more importantly, what do they understand that most people completely miss? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll see retirement in a completely different way, and you might even start building wealth in a way most people never do. Before we dive in, if you're serious about building long-term wealth, not quick money, not hype, just real strategic financial growth, hit that like button and subscribe, because this channel is built for thinkers, not gamblers. Now let's get into it. Most people believe retirement is the finish line. Work hard, save a little, retire, and then slowly spend what you've accumulated. That's the common story. But here's the truth. No one tells you. For wealthy people, retirement is not the end of income. It's the beginning of pure income, because during their working years, they weren't just earning money. They were building systems. And systems don't retire. Let's break this down. When the average person works, they trade time for money. Salary comes in, bills go out. Maybe there's some savings, maybe a small investment here and there. But the moment they stop working, the system collapses. No time leads to no income. But wealthy individuals play a completely different game. They spend their working years building assets, things that generate money, whether they're working or not. We're talking about things like rental properties, dividend-paying stocks, businesses, royalties, intellectual property, long-term investments. So when they retire, they don't stop earning. They simply stop actively working. And that's the first major reason people get rich after retirement. Their income doesn't depend on their effort anymore. But that's just the beginning, because there's something even more powerful happening behind the scenes. Time. Time is the most underestimated wealth-building force in existence. During your working years, your investments are growing quietly in the background. Not dramatically, not overnight, but consistently. And then something magical happens. Compounding accelerates. At the beginning, growth feels slow. You invest $1,000. Maybe it becomes $1,100. Not exciting. But over time, that $1,100 earns returns. Then those returns earn returns. And eventually, the growth becomes exponential, not linear, which means the biggest gains often happen later in life, not earlier. That's why someone who invested consistently for 30 or 40 years might see their wealth explode in their 60s or 70s. Not because they suddenly got smarter, but because time finally caught up with them. Here's a powerful way to think about it. During your working years, you plant seeds. During retirement, you harvest forests. Now let's talk about something most people overlook. Expenses. When people retire, their lifestyle often changes. No daily commute, no work-related costs, sometimes no mortgage. Kids are independent. So even if income stays the same, or slightly decreases, spending drops significantly. And when spending drops, savings increase. And when savings increase, investments grow faster. So, ironically, retirement can create the perfect environment for wealth accumulation, lower expenses, stable or passive income, decades of compounded investments. It's like the financial pressure disappears. and the system finally breathes. But there's another layer to this, and this one is psychological. During working years, people are often distracted. Deadlines, promotions, office politics, side hustles. Money is being made, but not always managed strategically. But in retirement, time slows down. People start paying closer attention to their finances. They optimize, they restructure, they make smarter, calmer decisions. And that clarity alone can significantly increase wealth. Now, here's something most people don't realize. Many retirees actually take smarter risks. When you're young, risk often looks like gambling, chasing trends, trying to get rich quickly, jumping into things you don't fully understand. But older investors, they've seen market crashes, they've seen bubbles, they've experienced loss. So when they take risks, they're calculated, measured, strategic. And that kind of risk is where real wealth is built. Let's pause here for a second. If you're still watching, I want you to think about your current strategy. Are you building income or are you building assets? Because that single difference determines whether retirement becomes a struggle or a wealth explosion. Drop a comment. Income or assets. I want to see where your mindset is right now. Now, let's go deeper. There's a hidden advantage retirees have that most people ignore. They own more. By the time someone reaches retirement age, they've often paid off major assets. Homes, land, investments, business equity, and ownership changes everything. Because when you own things outright, there's no debt draining your cash flow. So all the income generated becomes profit, pure profit, and that's when wealth starts accelerating rapidly. Another factor, tax advantages. In many cases, retirees benefit from lower tax burdens, especially when their income is structured through investments rather than salaries. Capital gains, dividends, retirement accounts, these can be taxed differently than regular income. So not only are they earning, they're keeping more of what they earn. And over time, that difference becomes massive. Let's talk about something most people won't admit. Delayed gratification. The people who get rich after retirement are usually the ones who didn't try to look rich before retirement. They didn't chase status. They didn't upgrade every year. They didn't spend everything they earned. Instead, they built quietly, patiently, consistently. So while others were showing off wealth, they were building it. And by the time retirement comes, the results finally become visible. Now, here's the truth that might change how you see everything. Wealth isn't built when you need it. It's built long before you ever see it. Retirement just reveals it. So if you're wondering why some people suddenly seem to get rich after retirement, it's not sudden at all. It's delayed visibility, like an iceberg. What you see at the end is only a small part of what was built over decades. Let's bring this home. If you want to be someone who gets richer after retirement, you don't start at retirement. You start now. You focus on building assets, not just income, investing consistently, not occasionally, thinking long-term, not short-term, reducing unnecessary expenses, owning more, owing less, letting time do the heavy lifting. Because in the end, retirement doesn't create wealth, it reveals it. If this video changed how you think about money, even slightly, then you're already ahead of most people. But don't stop here. Go back and re-watch this because the difference between those who struggle and those who thrive after retirement isn't knowledge, it's application. Make sure you subscribe because in the next video, we're breaking down how to build a retirement income system that pays you every single month without working. And trust me, you don't want to miss that. Until then, start thinking like someone whose wealth hasn't arrived yet, but is already being built.